Hi amigos, welcome to yet another video of Engineer's Review, and this video is going to be exciting especially for the gamers out there. In this video, we are going to review the Dell G3 3500 gaming laptop, which looks clean and has almost all the hardware required to play high-end graphic games. Despite having the Alienware franchisee, Dell G series gaming laptops are designed by Dell to deliver the ideal balance between epic gaming performance and practical portability within a budget. So without taking any time, let's jump into the review. The Dell G3 3500 is made up of full plastic, yet the design is clean and the chassis is black and grey with blue accents that doesn't look cheap at all. This device weighs around 2.3 kgs, which is pretty lightweight for a gaming laptop. The bottom of the device contains heat vents with blue colored grips and the speakers. The rear has heat vents on the adjacent side of the central hinge. This laptop has a full-sized keyboard with decent key travel that is appropriate for long typing sessions and continuous gaming sessions. The keyboard has a 3-level blue backlit that definitely enhances the gaming vibes. Still, it would have been nice if Dell offered an option for a RGB array backlit. Furthermore, the F7 key also works as a turbo booster when gaming gets critical. Above the function keys is the power button that doubles up as the fingerprint reader. Below the keyboard is the white touchpad with a blue frame, and we didn't notice any issue when it comes to tracking and gestures. Looking at the ports, the right side has the SD card slot, headphone jack, 2 USB Type A ports and the lock slot. On the left side, it has a RJ45 Ethernet, a USB Type A, HDMI ports and the power input socket. The Dell G3 3500 is equipped with a 15.6-inch IPS anti-glare matte panel with the full HD 1080p resolution. Display has good viewing experience and the colors look pretty decent for laptop at this price range. Furthermore, this laptop has 72% NTSC color gamut with brightness of 300 nits. Bezels on the sides are thin but not the slimmest as compared to other gaming laptops in this price segment. Also, Dell puts a screen refresh rate of 60Hz that may not be acceptable, especially for the gamers. But if you spend a few more bucks for a higher version, you will have a faster 120Hz refresh rate display with the same specs. Also, opening the lid can be done with one hand without any difficulty. And this laptop has a webcam of 720p resolution, which is decent for video calls. This laptop is powered by Intel Core i7 10th generation hexa-core CPU and has a base clock speed of 2.6 GHz and a boost clock speed of up to 5 GHz with 12 MB of cache. For GPU, it has a GTX 1650 Ti from Nvidia with 4 GB of VRAM. With these specifications, this laptop can easily handle your day-to-day tasks like gaming, browsing, video and photo editing, etc. Dell G3 3500 can handle most of the AAA title games like GTA 5, Assassin's Creed, Far Cry, Cyberpunk, etc. in constant 60+ FPS, and the performance with less graphics demanding games like Valorant, Apex Legends, Rocket League, CSGO, you will get around 130+ FPS on high settings. However, if you want to get this laptop to perform tasks in heavy softwares such as Adobe Premiere Pro, AutoCAD, Filmora, Photoshop, etc., it is capable of giving you a decent performance. While gaming and other resource-intensive tasks, the Alienware Command Center can be used to boost performance, manage the thermals, and it can even manage gaming performance. This laptop includes 16GB DDR4 RAM with 256GB M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD plus 1TB HDD of hybrid storage, which is good enough for gamers as well as content creators who need to run power-intensive softwares. There is a 51Wh 3-cell battery inside the hood. Even with the lower brightness settings, you can't expect more than 6 to 7 hours of backup on a single charge. But the battery backup reduced to just 1 hour while running games on medium to high graphic settings. This laptop comes with a standard 130Wh power brick without fast charging, so a full charge takes a little over 1.5 hours. Now let's get to the final verdict about this laptop. Starting with the pros, the laptop looks premium with simple, clean and sturdy design, comes with all the demanding specifications, impressive performance turbo mode, good after-sales service. Cons: 60Hz display in this price range is unacceptable. No RGB lighting keyboard which other brands offer in this segment. At last, the Dell G3 3500 is one of the better entry-level gaming laptops offered by Dell. The sturdy build, simple design, excellent performance boosters, brand reputation and better after-sales service are its main selling points. But potential buyers, mostly gamers, would also have to accept some demerits like low refresh rate, no RGB lights and noisy fans, etc. Hence we rate this product 3.5 stars out of 5, and for your convenience, we have given the best buy links in the description box below. You can get it from there. So guys, that's all from our side. Please let us know in the comment, will you prefer this gaming laptop or not? And also you can share some feedback about the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do like, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Engineers Review. And for more tech information, you can follow us on Instagram. Bye bye and take care.